So these are the sticks यहाँ से ले सकते हैं और कुछ भी पेमेंट करना इधर पेमेंट कर दो खुद से और स्टिक यहाँ से ले लो स्टिक ऑफ काइंडनेस ट्रैक टुवर्ड्स द this is towards the root bridge Rivai is village name is Rivai so we are in Rivai village and this is the track so I'm moving ahead there are so many points in between look the cleanliness altogether this is the living root bridge this way so we are going here and look at this beautiful Patil Bhau is ahead
Yes, sir.
and he's heading towards the root bridge look at this and a fall as well a white waterfall here and these are the shops which are getting open we have reached here in time and must visit आप लोग आते हो मेघालय तो ज़रूर आइए छोटे छोटे शॉप्स हैं बहुत सुंदर जगह and the good shopkeepers beautiful shops with beautiful shopkeepers you'll get all these things here a pineapple plum look the shops and I like to run on the stones I'm an old trekker so I know go fast I know how to roll and this is ticket counter we have already got tickets because we got Mr. Jadhav with us Mr. Jadhav has catered all the tickets for us say hello to everybody sir and so ticket checking is already done sir is so kind and a great person who caters everything for us and look at the dustbin here look at the dustbin and this is fall up beautiful here we can take bath look at this really very nice and the big tree with roots all around look at this is monsoon season but we are lucky enough to get good photograph here look at this it's a viewpoint amazing and beautiful such a serene and lovely transparent water must visit here look and this is all details about the place signboard to Living Root Bridge welcome to Living Root Bridge know it and the visiting hours for all information this seems look at this is a big tree a live tree with big roots and again this tree that has got so many roots look at this look beautiful this bridge is made up of the roots looks like something there's so many things to visit look at this come on things available beautiful greenery and look at this.
You like it?
And this is also part of the beautiful village of India so here so many viewpoints can come here sit enjoy drink with your loved ones elderly people anybody can come here the beautiful place so we can come and go down there and look at the stream coming so cool various trees and so many things to explore here in Meghalaya beautiful rocks there's so many points and places to recreate and sit down together